Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to receive money on Payoneer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to start receiving money on Payoneer, you will need to take 8 steps. So I'll cover these right now. First, you will have to create a Payoneer account. Then you will need to verify your account. Then you will need to add bank accounts or payment services. Then you will need to activate the global payment service if that is needed for your transaction. For example, if you want to do international transactions, then you will need to provide payment information to the payers, so the people that you are receiving the money from. Then you will be able to receive the funds into your Payoneer account. And right here on Get Paid, right here you can see Receiving Accounts. So all you need to do is create a receiving account right here, and then provide the needed documents and follow all of the steps right here. So then, once you've created one of those receiving accounts, you can give the information to the person that you want to receive money from, and then they will be able to send it to your account. And then you can just withdraw it or use it and do whatever you want. So that's basically how you can receive money on Payoneer. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.